I'm Christie with Clients First Business Solutions, and today's demonstration will cover how and when to use the unserviceable part process within a project or a work order using ProMRO. If you're not familiar with ProMRO, here's a little bit of a background. ProMRO is designed to assist MRO companies with creating quotes and work orders by tracking real-time connections between the shop floor and accounting, by allowing transactions, budget cost, materials, tools, and additional expenses to be captured all in one screen. So to begin, we will start in the ProMRO module, and we will navigate to the menu Task and select Work Orders. Now for today's demonstration, I have created a work order in advance in the interest of time. Before I select a work order, please note in order to use the unserviceable parts process, the status of your work order must be in an active status as well as the tasks that are listed on your work scope. So once you're in your work order, you can see we have some notes here on the top, and it says customer requested return of BER unit. Now just to give you an understanding of what that note actually means, if you navigate to the Task tab, and from here you can see that on the first operation, functional test, that the unit did fail functional test, and upon additional research, the mechanics did find that the unit was BR due to non-repairable internal damage. And here is also a note, customer requested return of BR unit. Now if we go ahead and look at change orders, we can see if there was a change order sent to the customer. This will list all the change orders and the suggestions. So you can see from the description that unit found BR during repair, suggest replacement. So to go ahead and process our unit to return to the customer, since they have requested that unit to go ahead and be returned, we will now select Unserviceable Parts, select the plus button, and we're going to fill in all the details that we can on these fields. And just for a note for you, we can make any one of these fields mandatory if your business requires that. So we're going to go ahead and start with the part number first. You can use the grid to go ahead and search, or if you know what your unit is already, which we have a customer unit here, and we have a description with the unit and the serial number. So I'm going to go ahead and just start typing. This is going to go ahead and pull up our listing, and I'm going to find the unit. It's going to auto-populate, and the serial number we are returning is their serial number, 785. We're returning a quantity of 1. For mod state and shelf life, there is a predefined listing that you would choose from. We will select unserviceable, populate our date, which will be today. And our reason for removal will be the information that we took from the change order or from the task itself. Unit is BER. The warehouse is listed here on Project Warehouse, so we will go ahead and select the same warehouse. Now under location, the location is where we actually want to place this unit at 0 cost. For us, we do have a location called quarantine. The task comes from the project or work order task, which was under standard repair. Now from here, we can go ahead and select save. Now we do have to receive this unserviceable part into the quarantine location in order to go ahead and send that out at 0 cost. So you would select the checkbox here on the left, select receive unserviceable part. Now that action does create a receipt number in the system that we do need to release. So we hit release. Now this unit is sitting in the location quarantine at 0 cost. So at this point, we do want to keep this box checked, and we want to say send to customer. This action creates a sales order under item request for you to go ahead and print those documents to send this unit back to the customer. So we're going to click on sales order. We're going to create shipment. Now after your shipment is created, you can go ahead and you can print the pick list and the shipping confirmation to have this unit sent back to your customer. Select confirm shipment. Now your unit is ready to send back, with all traceability listed into one screen onto the project or the work order. This will conclude our demonstration today on how and when to use unserviceable parts process in a work order using our ProMRO module. And always, to learn more, please contact Clients First Business Solutions for more information.